All right, guys. So sorry this was in two parts. I got cut off, but we're going to pick up on this problem right here. And for some reason, I'm getting this wrong. So I'm going to do 85 divided by 2. 2 can go into 8 4 times. 2 can go into 5 once. Nope, twice. Goodness gracious. That would give me a 10 left over and 5. So on this one, my median is 42. Oh, goodness gracious. 42.5. I know that got really, really messy. We're going to come down here. We're not going to do this one. I don't like this problem, and we're not going to do any of that with it. But what I am going to do is we're going to do problem B, and we're going to find all the same stuff. I have to pause the video. Hopefully we'll not lose this one. I'll be right back, guys. All right, let's finish this up. So if I'm working on problem B, I'm going to be finding the same centers of spread, except I'm not going to do the mean. So we are going to be doing the median, the mode, the range, and any outliers. I know some people say it outlier, I don't know. Okay, so put this down. The mode is pretty easy to spot. It's the one with the most dots, and that's going to be 20. The range is another one that's easy to do. I have my high number of 25 and 17. So I've got 25, take away 17, and we have, that is 8. Okay, so my range is 8. I don't really have any numbers that are going to be my outlier. They're pretty close together, unlike the one way up here where it has 75 way by itself. This is all pretty close together, so my outlier will be none. Now I can do my median. So for this, I'm going to just mark off the dots as I see them. So I've got just 2 over here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, 1. I always just start at the top and then I just go. I don't really know. There's really no right or wrong way. But that little guy is my median. So my median is 20. So I can still find some stuff through the dot plots, just like I could whenever we just numbered them straight away. If I am looking at number 4, and I'm going to just find the same information. So I've got my median, my mode, my range, and any outlier. So again, the mode is the easiest to find. It's obviously 50 on this one. 50. My outlier, I've got 75 is pretty far out there, kind of doing its own thing. My range, I've got 75, take away 35. So I'll take this away, and that gives me a 40. And in the middle, I'm just going to start crossing them off, even though I have a good idea what my middle number will be. Ooh, I was wrong. Okay, so my middle number is going to be between 45 and 50. So if I add 45 and 50, that would give me a 95. And I got to divide that by a 2. That can go in there 4 times. That can go in there 7 times. And that can go in there 5 times. So the median for this is 47.5. So again, with yesterday's assignment, and I'm just telling you that your median has to be the middle number. It has to go in between these 2 numbers. So on this number line, 47 would be right in the middle right here. This would be about 47. So that is my median. That's going to work. Let's look at got it problem C, and I'm going to write all this over on this side now. So I'm going to find my median, my mode, my range, and my outlier. All right, So right away, I'm going to start with my mode. This one, my mode is 25. Pretty easy to do. I also see my outlier is way over here with 65. The range, I think, is next. It's easiest to find. So I've got 1 on 65 and 1 on 25. Oh, guys, something I need to show you. So if we come back up here, notice that this number line goes from 25 to 80, but that's not the ones that I took the range of. It's the numbers that actually count, the numbers that have the dots above them. Those are the numbers for my range. So if I were to put these numbers and write them all out like we did yesterday, I wouldn't even include any 25s or any 30s or any 80s. Only the numbers with the dots get counted. So right here, I've got 25 and I've got 65. So that's my range. I'm going to do it up here. 65 minus 25 gives me 0 and 40. So my range is 40. That means this whole thing, blop, spreads out between 40 numbers. Now my median. I saved this one for last because I like to tick them off and I don't want to not make them mad. That was kind of funny. I say that for last just because once I'm done, it looks like this and I can't really get good information. So I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to mark them off until I get to my middle number for my mean, and it's going to be 30. The middle number is 30. So hopefully this wasn't going to, it's not too bad. I'm so sorry that this video had to be broken up into two videos, but you made it through the second one, and hopefully you watched the first one. Okay, so your assignment is your guided practice. Again, you're finding the median, the mode, the range, and the outlier for all this. I'm going to assume that you'll find all those using the dot plot. I might ask you to take pictures for me for clarification. And then on number 1 over here, you're doing the same thing, median, mode, range, and outlier. Number 2, same thing, median, mode, range, and outlier. And number 3 as well. Number 4, 5, and 6, you're using this. So it says that the number of runs the softball team scored in their last 5 games is shown on the dot plot. How many runs would the team need to score in the next game so that each statement is true? So you are adding 1 game to this set of data. Make it clearer. There we go. 1 game. So if I want my range to be 10, right now I've got 14, take away 6. That's not 10. Another mode is 11. So if I want my mode to be 11, how many do I need there? The median is 9.5. So these actually might be bonus points. No, I like them. We're going to have to work with it. So you've got 1 more game and you have to make the data true, okay? So not bonus points. I want you to go ahead and do them because that's a good thinking problem. I love it. And that is all for your assignments. So if you have questions, definitely get on my Zoom. Make sure that you've watched the videos. Obviously you have because this is the end of it. And I will be happy to help you, and I will see you later. Bye.